Hello world, welcome back to Accelerate, and yes, today is the day we are going to take my daily Honda Civic around the Nurburgring. I have always dreamed of taking one of my cars to the legendary Nurburgring. So one day, Georgia and I simply said, let's do it. Unfortunately, I don't fancy driving my actual track car 10 plus hours on my main project car. Well, currently looks like this. So why not take the daily driver onto one of the most challenging race tracks on earth? Am I nervous? Yes. Am I excited? Like you wouldn't believe. And also, is my first ever lap on the Nurburgring going to be wet? Unfortunately, yes. For those joining us for the first time, this is my daily Honda Civic EJ9 with a D15B VTEC swapped engine. The engine is out of a JDM CRX Del Sol VXI. D15B VTEC, which is 130 horsepower roughly with the S20 box. I should say the gearbox is not too happy at the moment. It started making some grumbling noises when we left. But she's not too happy, but I thought we've driven all the way to Germany. There's no way I'm going to be here and not do the Nürburgring. Apart from that, the car is pretty standard. It's got a 421 manifold. It's also sat on a set of BC Racing coilovers with adjustable dampening. We are running on, I've got my daily tyres, which are Rain Sport 5s, which in this weather I am grateful for, and this is exactly why I put them on for the journey. On the way down, we've had a bit of fun. Germany, you are so lucky. Even driving around these roads is absolutely just beyond picturesque. Had a bit of fun, not once have I had any loss of traction. I think that's enough talk about the car. We're going to head there now. I don't know how chaotic it's going to be, so I thought we'd do the intro here, but we are going to bring you along. So let's get to the ring. Guess what, guys? We, unfortunately, are stuck in the, what I'm assuming is a queue for the Nürburgring, which is a bit worrying because it says we are still 3.1 kilometers away. But what I should state is, after checking the calendar, it looks like the Nürburgring's been closed, and I think this is their opening week, and if not, their opening day. So I knew it was going to be busy, but I don't care, we're here. And more importantly, the sun's trying to come out. Right, guys and girls, it's a brand new day. We decided to come on Good Friday, thinking it would be quite quiet. Yeah, quite the opposite. We didn't realise that the Nürburgring Good Friday is actually one of their biggest car events and one of the busiest days of the Nürburgring. We came yesterday, got stuck in traffic for about 2 hours, which I'm not complaining about because there were some unbelievable cars. But we're back today. Well, I've just adjusted the shocks and everything I needed to do. The queue is really starting to build up, so we are going to jump in and head to the ring. One thing I did learn yesterday, of all the videos I watched, everyone shows you how to drive on the Nürburgring, how it all works. But what we didn't realise is how to actually get on the ring. Now, we may be the only ones who suffer this, because we are both terrible with directions. But the main Nürburgring that everyone knows, that everyone takes photos in front of, the actual entrance to the Touristenwagen, or whatever they call it, is nowhere near that. It's a good 2-3 minute drive away from there, which I will try and document on the way back, but it is definitely worth noting because I wouldn't have known where to go. Right, so what we've done, again, I thought you could just go up to the tolls and pay, but apparently you've got to load either a card or I've done it on my phone. Now, don't do what I did here, which was mix up my days, therefore mix up the price of the laps. We originally planned to go on the Friday, which is €30, is it? But ended up here on the Saturday, which is
35. Not enough money on the card.
Yeah, that was embarrassing. Luckily, he opened the barrier so I could pull over and add some more credit to my account. Wow, this is surreal.
We're on the Nürburgring.
We are on the Nürburgring.
We're on the Nürburgring. Oh my god.
Whoa, this is weird. Oh my. Okay, it feels like I'm playing Forza, I'm not gonna lie. Feels a lot bigger in person. The whole track is so weird. This really does feel surreal.
Oh my god, are you okay as well?
Yeah. Yay, we overtook someone!
Yes! And it was a goal! There's an MX-5 behind us, a Mark 4.
I am not doing this for lap times, I'm going to let everyone pass. Oh my God, everything just feels huge. This is surreal. It really is unbelievable. I got dry mouth and everything. Oh my God, the elevation changes. You don't feel that playing Forza, let me tell you. It's amazing how slow you feel like you're going. In this car.
I didn't think this car could hit 100.
Hey. God, I gotta say, this car is handling really flipping well. Now that the nerves are settling a little bit, I can talk about the car. This gives you so much confidence. I've stiffened the coilovers. These tyres are fantastic. 100 mile an hour again. Don't know about the brakes, so we'll take it easy on the brakes. Oh my God, the elevation changes are unbelievable. Like I said, you don't get that playing a game. It's the corner that catches everyone out, so I will not be another YouTube victim. That's the corner that everyone crashes.
Nice, well done.
I am just, oh my God, this is flipping amazing! I love this place. And it's so weird, this is the first track I've ever been on without wearing a helmet, which is bonkers.
I'm so surprised at how well you go on track, man.
Thanks, babe.
Nice pulling over for us. Thanks, buddy.
Oh my God, we actually overtook someone.
Woo! That's the second person.
Second? Well, we won't count the first. But...
Yeah, he actually indicated to let us move over. So.
He was scared.
Yeah, this car's handling amazing.
Yeah. Like I said, I don't know about the brakes, so I'm taking it easy on the brakes on purpose, but handling wise, oh my God, this thing's good.
I'm so glad you got the alignment.
Oh,
then.
there's a GT3 at my ass.
Wow.
Here come the Porsches.
Oh my God, there's so many Porsches. Oh shit.
See if we can catch him, shall we?
Lanka, there's the tyres you got.
This is the part I was dreading. There's a massive hill. This car doesn't like hills. Come on, baby. Oh, I'm sorry. Come on.
You can do it.
So I feel like I should say the ring was absolutely manic. Trying to get on you, we were queuing. But even this, I was a bit nervous that there was going to be too much traffic. As long as you stay out of people's way and you're not an idiot, you can still have fun. See, car coming up behind. I'm going to move out of his way because I probably have the slowest car on the track at the moment.
The new Supra.
Nope,
GT86. Why do I always get them two mixed up?
Jeez. I obviously Nurburgring, there's no sound limits either. I probably should say this car is completely untested. I've never thrown this car around like this. Ooh, the carousel.
Oh shit, don't go in there.
I'm too scared to go down there. I'm not gonna lie, guys, this is pretty low. God, the surface is terrible for you.
Ah, no.
Oh no, that's not a good sign of Civic. And we got a yellow flag. Whew.
What does yellow mean?
Means a caution, there's something. Oh, that's one. Oh my God, guys, this. I was so worried about it being too intimidating. Like, I'm in a slow car. This car is not fast by any stretch, but like I said, as long as you stay out of people's way, people know to just go around you. I am pumped with adrenaline. This is unbelievable. I can't believe this is legal to just come here, jump on a track and just hoon your car. And unfortunately, this type of stuff does happen. And as I've said from the beginning, we'd like to drive home in this car, so we are gonna take it easy.
Oh Oh no. 350.
Oh, it's British. That's YouTube corner. Oh no, this is YouTube corner.
Every corner is YouTube corner. Oh my god.
Come on, go past. That's it. Oh, this big dip right here.
Oh,
I don't like this. Ah, oh, they weren't too bad actually.
wow. There's another 350.
Oh, that sounds nice.
That's nice.
Wow, the hills!
What is this 350 doing?
Good little battle, I thought. Said it's a good little bit keeping up with him.
I know.
Even on the streets, he should be flying, Rory.
Unless he's not, well, unless he's having a chilled one.
Yeah. Let's go this carousel.
Oh.
Hi, Porsche. There you go, that's the last corner now.
And then that's like the 5th or 6th push to pass us.
Is that all?
I know, yeah, I think so. There may be more, but I can't count, as we know.
Come on. I want to try and get a good run up.
I feel like he was trying to race us. His mouse.
You only got away on the straights though, come on.
Yeah,
She did well.
okay.
What do you think?
I love it.
Well, I'm going to say I was expecting it to be amazing, and I completely understand why everyone kept saying to me, you're going to love it, you're going to love it. I was like, yeah, no, you're going to love it. And guess what? I freaking love it. Wow, we are definitely doing another lap. This car, completely untested. Gearbox is absolutely screaming at me, and I said I was going to take it light, but the adrenaline took over.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm shouting now as well. Oh,
like,
guys.
I feel like even if you tried, you probably couldn't have taken a light on there.
No.
Just
It is. Well, you can. That's a good thing. If you just stay out of people's way, you can go to enjoy it.
no, I just mean like the kind of track it is with all the corners and stuff.
Yeah,
Like, I feel like you
yeah.
need to, or you want to go fast.
Oh yeah. I mean, that's why you're going there. Let's be fair. I am still pumped with adrenaline. We've just come out now. We are parked up literally next to the ring. So I love about the Nurburgring, you can literally just drive on there, do a lap, and come straight out. That is it. There's no rules. There's no signing on. Nothing. As long as you got credit. But I just want to say, I was nervous. Like, I get nervous at things because I'm in a slow car on a fast track. We are definitely doing that again, and I am absolutely pumped. So anyone thinking about doing it, do it. And yes, everyone who told me that I was going to love it, you were absolutely right. There's just GT3 RS everywhere. This whole place is just a car show. But I'll stop waffling now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.
Boom!